This, guys, is a Kodak Moment. Got the diesel dually all cleaned up and the Featherlite trailer polished to perfection inside and out. It just looks really badass. We're in the parking lot across the street from the museum. 100 man years of labor went into rebuilding that museum. That building right there, 100 man years, not including the bikes, just the building, 100 man years, 25 guys, 4 years. And we just spent 312 hours putting this rig back to its former glory. It looks absolutely beautiful. I don't know if the video is doing it justice, but man, it looks nice. We can haul a whole bunch of bikes into this thing behind the diesel dually. Shined up like a new penny. Proud of the guys. They busted their ass on this thing for a couple of weeks. And we worked together on it in the 100-degree heat out here, polishing this aluminum. And it came out beautiful, top to bottom. It just looks nice behind the dually for sure. It's going to Atlas Metal for the interior construction, and then it's going to go up to the sign connection, and Christy's going to work on a upgrade on the wrap here to put the New England Motorcycle Museum, Kaplan America, and Kaplan Cycles logos on it. But it's just a nice profile rolling down the road there. We'll be heading to Daytona, Laconia, Sturgis, Americade, Southwick, Mid-Ohio, Ricerama, the Motorcycles Rodeos. We'll be going to a lot of events all over the country. So if you see us, honk and wave. Thanks for watching, and God bless America. It's a great country.